Here are some interesting and funny abbreviations for your knowledge. They are about 33 or 34. Adidas, very famous word. All day I dream about soccer. Football fever is always in high swing or very high swing. Aim, ambition in mind. Boys, being obnoxious youthful souls. Very rightly said. Class, come late and start sleeping. This is for naughty students. Date, day and time evolution. Time is everything. It's very precious. Care it. Eat. Eat and taste. Flu. Someone get flu. See, with constant running nose, fluid leaking unstoppably. Great. Get really excited about today. When you win a match, gets good mark, you're really excited, you're great. Hope. Hold on. Pain ends. There is a satire, there is a suggestion, there is advice. Life. Love is for everyone. Loving is living. Love. Loss of valuable energy. For those who fell in love and damages their cavity. Math. Mental abuse to humans. Pen, power and rich nip. Pen is mightier than the sword. Poor, passing over opportunities repeatedly. Very rightly said. The poor let go of opportunities to become rich. School sucks children's happiness out of life. Smile, showing miracle in little effort. Wife, worries invited forever and ever. Begum, jisko koi gum nahi. English, every night ghost linger in someone's home. Kiss. Churchill used to deliver long speeches. He was a very good orator. And his ADC used to present a chit on which from her wife written on kiss. One day somebody asked that your wife loves you very much. When you go for a lengthy speech, she delivers a message of kiss. And he laughed. He said, no, this kiss is not the kiss which you are thinking. This kiss means keep it short, stupid. And then there is a PCB. There is a Najam Sethi, there is a Zaka Ashraf, and today any judge has been become the boss. So PCB is persistently changing bosses. Stands for MBBS. Money begging and boosting service. इसके उर्दू में भी हैं. मोहब्बत बिफोर बकायदा शादी. या और भी कुछ लोग कहते हैं मियाँ बीवी बच्चों समेत. तो एक once on a home there was written name of a female and his qualification was MSc, and the name of her husband, the qualification was FSc. And someone asked him that your wife is more qualified than you. She is MSc and you are FSc. And he told that there is nothing to be astonished. MSc stands for mother of 6 children and FSc stands for father of 6 children. I am father, so I am FSc. She is mother, she is MSc. Then there is a bio, study of life, in which boringly involved in organisms. CHEM for chemistry. Consumes ores and enrich minds. If you study chemistry, it will take time. Consumes ore, but at the end, it will enrich your mind. Physics, PHY. Preciously honor youths. You see Dr. Kadir, you see Dr. Salam, you see Dr. Abdul Kalam, and many other physicists are in the height of world affairs. Oh, हमारे सलीम ज़मा सदीकी केमिस्ट्री के हैं, जानते कोई, तो फिजिक्स वाले बहुत मकाम हासिल करते। वासा, वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन। मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ जा रहा था तो उसके ऊपर गटर के ऊपर वो स्लैब के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था वासा। उसने मुझसे पूछता है कि यार इसका क्या मतलब है? मैंने इसका मतलब है वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन एजेंसी। फिर वो हफ्ता 10 दिन गुजरे, फिर मेरे से पूछने लगा यार ये क्या लिखा हुआ वासा? मैं कह ये लिखा हुआ वाड़ अंदर सूंगैनु, वाड़ अंदर सूंगैनु। डाइट, हम डाइटिंग करते हैं, खाते ही जाते हैं। डू आई ईट टुडे? बॉस, build on self success. Single, when you are married, worries showers on you. When you are single, you are worryless. Single, stress is no gone, life is easier. PTV, पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन, एंड बहुत सारे बंदे इसको कहते हैं PTV यानी पुराना टेलीविजन। At the end, there are 3 abbreviations about Swat. Swat is one of the most beautiful place on earth, with the lofty mountains, a roaring river, bewitching beauty, fruits of all kind, soothing atmosphere. So I have written a sentence in one of my articles. Swat, why too many epithets? And it contains abbreviation of Swat for 3 times. Swat, SWAT. Scenery which attracts tourists. एक Swat यहाँ पे पूरा हो. With its soil, water, atmosphere and trees. दूसरा Swat. And thus is soothing, wonderful, astonishing and thrilling. तीसरा सवाल. These are the few interesting and funny abbreviations. Some are mine and other I have taken from different quarters. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.